Hi guys, this is Sam and welcome to WingLogic. In today's vocabulary video, I want to talk about bank holidays and the advanced vocabulary related to them. So let's get started. Bank holidays are essentially days when the people of a specific country don't work. Technically, there is a difference between bank holidays and public holidays, but in the UK, we generally use the term bank holiday to encompass them all. Technically, bank holidays are fixed by statute or by royal proclamation. Statute means by law, meaning that it's the government that appoints them. Royal proclamation means that it's the king or queen that does that, and these are days when most financial dealings are suspended. In other words, when banks are closed. Public holidays, on the other hand, are common law holidays, meaning they're holidays that have been observed through custom and convention over the years. The only two that we have in England are Good Friday, the Friday before Easter, and Christmas Day on the 25th of December. Just as I said earlier, the end result doesn't change between bank holidays and public holidays because we just don't go to work. England and Wales have 8 bank holidays, Scotland has 9 and Northern Ireland has 10. The ones that we have in England are the 1st of January, New Year's Day, Good Friday, the Friday before Easter, Easter Monday, the Monday after Easter. The first Monday in May is Early May bank holiday. The last Monday in May is Spring Bank Holiday. The last Monday in August is Late Summer Bank Holiday. The 25th of December is Christmas Day and the 26th is Boxing Day. I know every country has its own rules for when a bank holiday falls on a weekend. In Italy, for example, if Christmas Day is on a Sunday, they just lose it, whereas in England, we are off the next Monday. This year, for example, Christmas Day falls on a Saturday and Boxing Day on a Sunday, so in England we'll be off Saturday and Sunday as a normal weekend, Monday for Christmas and Tuesday for Boxing Day. As you can see, in England we don't have midweek bank holidays. In some countries, if a bank holiday falls on a Tuesday, they do what they call a bridge, meaning that they are off on Tuesday as the official bank holiday, but also on the Monday before to connect it to the weekend. If the bank holiday falls on a Thursday, they do the same with Friday, so they'll be off Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Since our bank holidays only fall on a Friday or Monday, this bridge doesn't exist in England. Let's now have a look at some advanced vocabulary. Bank is obviously where you keep your money, but it's also a place where you store other things. A blood, organ, sperm bank is a place where you can find these elements. A fog bank, a cloud bank, or a bank of mist is a large mass of clouds, fog, and mist. A bank is also the land along the side of a river or a lake, and it's also a large slope of things like earth or snow. A bank of TV screens is a large number of pieces of equipment in a row. A power bank is a portable rechargeable device that contains electricity that you can use to charge your phone. We have piggy bank. A food bank is a place that gives food to poor people. A bottle bank, in British English, is a container that you can use to recycle bottles. You don't need to break the bank to get a good phone means that getting a good phone doesn't have to cost you a lot of money necessarily. In gambling, the bank is the amount of money that belongs to the owner and that can be won by the players. He's making bank in his new job is an informal way to say that he's making a lot of money quickly. And if it's the bank of mum and dad that pays, it means that your parents pay for what you need. A banknote, or simply note, is paper money. Banks lend you money, you borrow money from a bank, and when you do, you can also say that you take out a loan. When you take money out of your bank account, you withdraw money and you pay into your bank account when you put money into it. You pay off a debt when you pay back all the money that you owe, and debts are usually paid off in installments, meaning monthly portions of a debt. If you have a £4,000 overdraft, it means that you've spent £4,000 more than you had in your bank account, and this is the amount of money that you owe to the bank. I'm overdrawn, or my account is overdrawn by £200 means that you've spent £200 more than you had in your bank account and you have to give it back. And you have to be careful not to go overdrawn. To bank is also a verb. If I ask you who do you bank with or at, I want to know what bank you use. To bank a cheque means to put the money from the cheque into your bank account, and today I banked twice as much as a normal day is an informal way to say that today I made twice as much as I usually do. Snow was banked or banked up on the side of the road means that all the snow was arranged into a pile, and she banked up the fire before going to bed means that she put a lot of coal or wood into the fire to keep it going for a long time. A phrasal verb that you might find in English exams is to bank on something or someone, which is a synonym for to count on someone or something. I'm banking on my boss giving me a pay rise soon so I can buy a new house. That means that you're counting on that happening so you can buy your new house. And now we're going to go very technical and scientific, because if a plane banks, that means that one of its wings is raised higher than the other, causing the plane to turn. When a road is banked, its outer edge is raised higher than its inner one to make the turn physically safer for cars, and this element is called the banking of a road. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel down below. And do let me know in the comments how many and what kind of bank holidays you have in your country. And I will see you next Thursday and Monday with a quick vocabulary video, and next Tuesday with my explanation one. See you soon.